Hello guys, nag-video pa kung anong oras na. Basta 2:11 ng umaga. Si-short ko muna to. Wait lang. Tapos na ako kumain ng mamon. Kaya, wait lang. Babay lang. I'm going to just think radically. And no more pain. No more pain. No more pain natin. I always love you. I love you, Ate P. Bye-bye.